Massage oil is an essential part of aromatherapy. This oil acts as a natural skin care therapy. Massage therapy certainly relaxes and soothes core muscles and stimulates blood circulation in the body cell. The organic message oil improves the resistance system as well. It also restores the skin and has a soothing result on the mind. Moreover, body oils for massage provide relaxation to the body, mind, and soul. The oils for massage are a blend of essential oils and base oils. Base oils are extracted from plants and are generally pressed from nuts, seeds or kernels. Essential oils are highly concerted essences that collect from fruit and plants. Choosing the right stuff, a hard task without the appropriate information. We provide you with a complete review of the 5 best massage oils. Brands reviews help you to select wisely for ultimate relaxation. So, let's see the features of 5 massage oil. 1. Sensual massage oils for men and women by Maple Holistic Sensual Massage Oil blends of 100% natural pure relaxing jojoba oil and lavender almond oil. It is formulated with perfect balance of essential oils and base oils to deliver maximum relaxation and stress relief. It is a soft scent massage oil that will boost your most intimate time with you and your partner. And also, this pure therapeutic massage oils moisturize the skin and soothe muscles naturally. Its pleasant aroma of lavender, which very soft oils are free of silicones, parabens, additives, and artificial fragrances. Key features: a combination of lavender, almond oils, and jojoba oils. Hypoallergenic for sensitive skin. Parabens, silicones, additives, and artificial fragrances free. Sensually stimulates all senses. Moisturizes skin and soothe muscles also. Cruelty-free product. It is not staining oils and meets the GMP standards. 100% money-back guarantee. 2. Naturals Relief Arnica Body Massage Oils by Brooke Thorne. Relief Arnica Massage Oil blends of grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil and Arnica montana oil. It is perfect for a sports massage. Though it relieves muscle-related aches and pain, it can be used for all other kinds of massages as well. It has a well-known reputation as the best homeopathic remedies. It also contains organic ingredients that provide a smooth texture. Key features: perfect for a sports massage. Blend of arnica, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil and essential oils with lemongrass, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Greasy residue-free. Cruelty-free product, supple and smooth. Paraben-free and no tested on animal. 3. Luxurious Relaxing Body Massage Oils by Lulu Lube. Lulu Lavender Massage Oil is formulated by geranium leaf. Most importantly, it is best for relaxing and sensual massage. It absorbs rapidly into the skin that leaves your skin hydrated and relieves. Its light-scented aromatherapy fragrances give utmost pleasure at the intimate moment of the couple. Key features: infused of sweet almond and essential oils. Light lavender fragrance. Suitable for sensitive skin. Has no greasy residue at all. 4. Refresh Therapeutic Massage Oils Brands by Brooke Thorne. This therapeutic massage oil is blended with natural ingredients like eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. After using this oil, it shows visible signs of relief and promotes to calm on your mind. Most importantly, this organic oil has amazing effects for reduce tension, anxiety, and aids to release stress. It also can relieve from painful muscles. Although peppermint oil is good for aching joints but the marjoram oil aids you to fight muscle pain. Its nut-free formula is best for sensitive skin. Key features: rich in high-quality natural ingredients. Leaves skin healthy, hydrated and smooth. Never leave a greasy effect. The nut-free formula is best for sensitive skin. Cruelty, paraben, phthalate, hypoallergenic-free. Made in the USA. 5. Sensual Massage and Body Oil Brands by Skinsations. Skinsations edible massage oil blends of rich vitamins, proteins, good fatty acids, and minerals. It is the combination of fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, etc. So, it is perfectly safe and beneficial enough for your sensitive areas that make a great romantic moment. Besides having the other botanical elements, the sensual oils are also extracted from Tahitian vanilla. For its sweet fragrance of vanilla makes spell that gives relax, peace and calm on the mind. It is free from paraben, GMO or other chemical contents, as it is 100% organic and natural. Key features. Act as a carrier oil. A natural lubricant, skin moisturizer, and body massage oil all in one. Natural and organic oil. Sweet romantic fragrance. An aromatherapy massage oil. Paraben and cruelty-free. Money-back guarantee. Benefits of message oils. Massage oil is a great way to revive. See how you do it together with some of the best massage oils to use. Helps maintain flexible joints. Releases pain, fatigue, and joint pain. Relax nerves amazingly. Moisturize the skin finely. Improve blood circulation also. Improve skin tone by adding luster. Increase mental and energy responsiveness also. Promotes sound sleep as well. And, nourish the full body, promote durability. Thanks for watching video and subscribe us.